Welcome back, everyone. Today we are stepping into a machine that feels less like a vehicle and more like a moving statement of power, confidence, and futuristic ambition. This is the 2026 Hummer H5, a name that already carries legendary weight, but this version takes that legacy and reshapes it for a new era. From the moment you see it, the H5 does not ask for attention, it commands it. This is not a car designed to blend in with traffic. It is built to dominate streets, trails, and imaginations alike. The first impression is pure muscle. The front end is wide, bold, and unapologetically aggressive. The grille design looks carved from solid metal, with sharp lighting signatures that give the H5 a piercing stare day or night. The hood sits high and flat, reinforcing the sense that this vehicle is always ready to climb, crawl, or charge forward without hesitation. Every angle feels intentional, from the squared-off fenders to the sculpted body lines that hint at strength rather than decoration. As you walk around the Hummer H5, its proportions tell a story of capability. The stance is wide and confident, with massive wheels that look ready to tackle rocks, sand, snow, or city potholes without flinching. The ground clearance is generous, reminding you that this SUV is not limited to smooth roads. The side profile balances modern design with classic Hummer toughness, blending sharp edges with a solid, planted feel. Even standing still, the H5 looks like it is in motion. Step inside, and the atmosphere shifts from raw power to high-tech command center. The cabin of the 2026 Hummer H5 feels like it was designed for a driver who wants both control and comfort. The materials feel rugged yet refined, combining durable surfaces with premium finishes. The seats are wide, supportive, and built for long journeys, whether those journeys lead across highways or deep into the wilderness. The dashboard is dominated by large digital displays that put information exactly where you need it. The main screen is clear, responsive, and packed with features that make driving easier and more engaging. Navigation, vehicle settings, off-road data, and entertainment all flow smoothly through the interface. It feels intuitive rather than overwhelming, which is impressive considering how much technology is packed into this vehicle. One of the standout elements inside the H5 is the sense of space. There is room to stretch out, room to breathe, and room to bring everything you need along for the adventure created. Rear passengers are not treated as an afterthought, with ample legroom and headroom that make long trips comfortable. The cargo area is spacious and flexible, ready to handle gear, luggage, or whatever your lifestyle demands. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Hummer H5 truly earns its reputation. This SUV is built to deliver serious power, and you feel it the moment you press the accelerator. The response is immediate, smooth, and forceful, pushing the H5 forward with confidence. Whether merging onto a highway or climbing a steep trail, the power delivery feels controlled and purposeful. Off-road capability is where the H5 truly shines. This vehicle is engineered to go places most SUVs would never dare. Advanced traction systems, multiple drive modes, and a robust suspension work together to keep the H5 stable and capable on challenging terrain. Rocks, mud, sand, and steep inclines feel less intimidating when you are behind the wheel of something built specifically to conquer them. Despite its size and strength, the Hummer H5 manages to feel surprisingly composed on paved roads. The ride quality is smoother than you might expect, absorbing bumps and imperfections with confidence. Steering feels solid and predictable, giving the driver a sense of control rather than intimidation. This balance between off-road toughness and on-road comfort is one of the most impressive achievements of the H5. Technology plays a major role in shaping the driving experience. Driver assistance features help make everyday driving safer and less stressful. From adaptive cruise control to advanced braking systems, the H5 is equipped to support the driver without taking away the sense of involvement. Cameras and sensors provide excellent visibility, which is especially valuable when maneuvering such a powerful machine in tight spaces. Sound plays an important role in the overall experience as well. The cabin remains quiet and composed, even at higher speeds, allowing you to enjoy conversations or music without distraction. The audio system delivers rich, immersive sound, turning the interior into a rolling concert hall when you want it, or a peaceful escape when you do. The 2026 Hummer H5 is not just about performance and luxury. it is also about presence. Driving this vehicle makes a statement wherever you go. It reflects a mindset of confidence and independence, a desire to stand out rather than follow the crowd. This is a vehicle for people who want more than basic transportation, who want an experience every time they get behind the wheel. Practicality has not been ignored either. Thoughtful storage solutions throughout the cabin make it easy to keep things organized. Controls are placed logically, making the vehicle easy to live with on a daily basis. Whether you are commuting to work or heading out on a weekend adventure, the H5 adapts to your needs without feeling cumbersome. As we look at the bigger picture, the 2026 Hummer H5 represents a bold vision of what a modern SUV can be. It respects the heritage of the Hummer name while embracing new technology, refined comfort, and advanced engineering. It proves that strength and sophistication do not have to be opposites, and that a vehicle can be both extreme and enjoyable. This is a machine designed to inspire confidence, excitement, and curiosity. It invites you to explore further, push boundaries, and experience the road in a way that feels powerful and unforgettable. The Hummer H5 is not just something you drive, it is something you experience, something that stays with you long after the engine is off. If you are looking for an SUV that delivers bold design, serious capability, and modern comfort all in one package, the 2026 Hummer H5 stands tall among its competitors. It is a reminder that driving can still be thrilling, that vehicles can still have personality, and that sometimes bigger really is better. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Hummer H5, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. More exciting reviews are coming your way, and you will not want to miss them.